Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. So you're probably anxious to see what is in this box. This is my order from Maxus. So they give you a little thank you card and then some application tips and helpful info on their products. And then we've got the invoice. And then I ordered the base coat. I believe this is a nail strengthening base coat. Let's see, it evens out imperfections. And yes, strength and moisturizing. Oh wait, it strengthens nails. Oh. And I think it moisturizes your nails too. Anyways, so this I've been anxious to try, and then this is their Jojobalieve butter. Now, I do have a discount code with Maxus for 15% off. So if any of you want to try Maxus products, you can use my discount code. And then I do want to say something, like this stuff, I like this better than packing peanuts, let me tell you. I totally love this a lot better than packing peanuts. Those things like just get everywhere. So anyway, so I'm going to try these things out and then I will tell you, I'll just tell you about them in this video. Okay, first of all, we're just going to talk a little bit about this. So this is a strengthening base coat, and it so it adds strength. It does have some stuff in there for moisturizing. It improves adhesion of your nail polish to your nail, and it protects the nail from discoloration. It also has tea tree oil for added antiseptic and antifungal properties. So I've been wearing this mani for, let me see, 7, 8, this is the 9th day? Yes, the 9th day. So I don't have the Maxus top coat, but I did order it because I'm so impressed with every product that I've gotten from them that I want to try the top coat, and I'm super excited about that. So I don't have the top coat on, and the top coat I have, yeah, you know, I've had this mani on for a really long time. So yes, it does have some wear on the tips, user error. I was doing my daughter or my niece's nails this weekend, so that's some other things. You know, it's been a long time since I wanted my nail polish to last on here a long time, so I didn't keep the tips really well or anything like that. And my old long-lasting top coat is doing pretty good, but I was also away for 4 days and I didn't have it with me. But anyways, that's neither here nor there, whatever. The base coat works great. My nails are super strong, and let me tell you, for the past week, I have jammed this hand into everything that you could ever even imagine, and the nails are still strong. I did break one nail, but that, I mean, seriously, it was my fault. I was picking at some stuff, so it probably weakened it a little bit, and then I jammed it into something, and it broke. But however, the rest of them are really here, and I'm shocked that they're not gone as well for all the stuff that I've been doing. So now let's take a look and see if this actually does protect it from staining, because this color is super dark. And I'm hoping it didn't stain my nails. So I normally use the Zoya nail polish remover, so I have that right here. I've got so much top coat on it. So, I'm gonna break through the layers of top coat. I got several. Wow, I mean, this stuff is like really on there. Okay, so I kind of don't think it really discolored it at all. If it did, it's just very slight. So I'm pretty impressed with this base coat. Let me just take it off the rest of my nails. Okay, so I got it all off. I did a little sugar scrub and put some lotion and some of the Jojobalieve butter on. And I don't really see that much staining. This had the light color on it. I probably should have done like a mix or mash with some lighter colors so we could definitely tell. But maybe just a little bit, you know, of the reddish tinge. And it's, I think, mostly on my skin and not really on my nails. So I think, yeah, it's on my skin. Because I was impatient trying to get the nail polish remover off. Anyway, so I think I really like the base coat. I'm going to continue using that. I love it. And this is the Jojobalieve butter. It comes with like a little stick in case you want to scrape it out. But basically, all you really have to do is put your finger in there and then rub it on your cuticles. And I really liked this. I was using it before I went away for 4 days, and yeah, I really like it. So I don't mind that I spent the amount of money that I did on Maxus products because I really love it. Now stay tuned for the video for the top coat. That will be out next week. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.